Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the May Pen interchange. Now, on the left is the May Pen to Mandeville leg, a highway 2000 being built. When this highway was originally designed, there was no interchange basically for May Pen. There is an exit by the toll plaza for May Pen. But it was announced or decided recently that another exit should be built for May Pen, and it should be an interchange. So that is what they're doing now. So this is the road work you're looking at, is the interchange being built. Now, one of the reasons why this highway has been delayed is because of this interchange. This highway was to have finished from April. Now, it's not the only reason, but it's one. So here you can see everything being wide, the road being widened. I'm going to come out and show you what's going on because we can't drive down to where they're working. So this is the highway, and then this is one of the exits for May Pen or May Pen right here. And then you have a similar thing, ramp being built on the other side of the highway. So this interchange will be ready by August. I mean, there is a lot of work going on out here. China Harbor Engineering Company is doing the work. They are the contractor. And when you compare this work site to the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project, that's the highway being built from Harbor View to Port Antonio. This work site, the Maypen to Mandeville one, has a lot more activity. A lot more is going on this project than the other one. Alright, so we're back on the main road now, and the highway runs, I guess, south of this road, and from Maypen to Clarendon Park the highway will run along the existing roadway to the south, and then from Clarendon Park it goes over the hill towards the Melrose Hill bypass, where the highway will then merge with the Melrose Hill bypass and go into Williamsfield. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. We will give you update videos on this project every week until August, when the highway is opened. So remember to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And we also give you update videos every 2 weeks on all the major developments going on in Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.